In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to completely delete your Roblox account. Now, there's a big difference in deactivating your Roblox account and deleting it. If you deactivate an account, there is the ability to reactivate it and get all of your stuff back. I'm going to show you how to delete an account first, and then at the end of the video, I'll show you briefly how you can deactivate if that's what you're looking for as well. So the easiest way is to open up Roblox on a browser. So open up a new browser tab in Chrome or whatever your browser of choice is, and then log into your account. Once you're here in the upper right-hand corner, click or tap the settings icon and go to Help and Safety. Under Help and Safety, you want to go to the Help Center, which is the top option here. Once you're here, scroll to the very bottom and click on the Contact Us link there at the very bottom. Then you want to go ahead and fill out this form. Once you get down to the issue details, select your most common device and then go to Type of Help category. Select that drop-down menu, scroll all the way down until you see something that says, I want to delete my account. Once you do that, under the subcategory type, go ahead and select, I want to delete my account. In the description box here, I would just go to ChatGPT or an AI tool and say, hey, I'm deleting my Roblox account. Make sure you're letting them know that you understand this is permanent and you remove the ability to get back any of your stuff on your account, things you've purchased, the Robux, things of that nature. So put all of that in this description box here and then hit continue. And then within a few days, you'll get an email from Roblox stating that your account has been completely and permanently deleted. Now, if you want to deactivate your account and have the ability to get it back, you want to go to Settings in the upper right-hand corner and go and click into Settings. Once under Settings, go to Privacy and Content Restrictions over on the sidebar. And then right here, it should say something along the lines of Account Deactivation and Deletion. Click on that. And then you'll see a button here that's in red that says Deactivate. Click on that button there. And then it says by clicking this button, you're confirming that it will hide your profile. Some information may still be visible to others, such as the items you've listed, but you'll still have access to your Robux and items. And after deactivating, you'll be logged out. Just know that you can reactivate your account at any time after logging back into Roblox. So you choose which one you need, whether it be deletion or deactivation, and go with that one. If you're having trouble, you'll see some frequently asked questions in the pinned comment below this video. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.